Okay, hello everyone. So today I have an acoustic guitar. This is Hagstrom acoustic guitar. I think it's from the 60s, late 60s to early 70s. So he came in with the bridge came off from the body itself. So I reglued it, reclamped. After that, I found out that the glue on the sides and the top is also coming off. So I suggested that he get it glued as well. Apart from that, there's some problems with the nut. See the whole of the video. It's going to be a long video, so hold on tight. Hope you like the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, so guitar is done. I reglued this already. Apparently, when they prep the bridge plate together with the soundboard, they didn't prep it properly. Then when, of course, after humidity and all that, it will tend to come dislodge. The bridge also has a bit, the body itself has a bit of a belly, so it's actually a bit swelling, but not so critical. When I restring the guitar, it shows a bit more of the other cracks which happens on the guitar. So at the binding here, that's actually is separating from the sides, on both sides, top and bottom, on this side as well. So you can see a separation halfway through. I think this guitar dropped a few times perhaps. Other than that, there's slight separation as well for the fretboard on the neck, between the neck and the fretboard itself, right here. I don't think you can see it. I think you can see it. There's a slight separation, but not so bad because the entire of the board is only that portion itself. The other thing is the nut. The nut is a bit too low on the first string. So the fix is actually to change the nut itself. So I give you a quotation, see whether you want to change it out. The reason why I think it needs to be changed out is because of the buzzing. Initially I thought the buzzing was here, but it's not. I did some tests and I found that this is the issue. I'm going to give you an example now, just to see whether the notes are clear. Then after that I will remove this piece of cardboard. You hear that the buzzing is actually quite loud and quite annoying, so you can consider changing that out. Apart from that, I highly suggest you consider doing a setup work so I can clean up the guitar a bit more. This is the test. All here is clear already, but of course it's a bit harder to play. Okay, so that is going to remove this piece of cardboard, the one I just test to see whether where's the buzzing coming from. I'm going to remove it. Then you hear the buzzing itself. By the way, the nut is not glued on right now. Once done, if need to change, I will change. If not, I will just glue it down and see whether everything holds up. Okay, I'm going to tune to pitch. Okay, you can hear that? You can hear that the buzzing is quite prominent. I'm going to give it a test. Okay, everything else was clear. The only problem is that when you play open string, it will buzz right at here. So you can do two things, change this or file this down, but I rather you change the nut. Other than that, it's also a setup work, so I give you a quote, see whether you want to do it. If not, the guitar is ready for pickup tomorrow onwards. Okay, see you, bye. Okay, hello. So guitar is done. Nut I shim and glued it down. This is a quick fix to actually clear out the note on the first fret, that buzzing. Then after that, the sides and the back I clamp and glued the portion. Previously it was a bit vibrating from this side as well, so there's a bit of tone loss there. Right now it's pretty solid, so the sound will be better. Other than that, the bridge glue is holding up. There is a slight belly, but this is the best that it can be right now. So there's no lifting from the bridge itself. Yeah, so I'm going to give a test, then I get back to you. Okay, test. It's all clear. That sounds good. Okay, guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, so if you want to see more of this content, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to contact me, you can get to me on WhatsApp 84189951. If you cannot get hold of me, please be a bit patient. Sometimes I'm a bit occupied with other jobs as well. So hope to see you soon. Bye.